So this is the U-shaped sectional in the color beige. The couch took about 7 days to arrive. It actually came in 5 separate boxes, and the pillows and the top cushions were in a vacuum sealed bag. So they took a couple of days to fluff up. It was a little bit wrinkled at first too, but it's been about 2 days and it looks pretty good. It's very soft. The couch is very comfortable. The one thing I will say is it is pretty low as far as height is concerned. It does have legs on the bottom, but they're pretty short. So if you're worried about that, you can purchase taller legs to go with it. I didn't mind. It was perfect for me. It fit my living room space perfectly. But yes, this is a great couch. I'm in love with it. I do want to make it like this. So all of these 3 are completely attached. Like they're not just modular as where you can like switch them really, really quick. But you can switch them, like you can change them. Yeah, it's super soft. As you can see, this is like a brown. It's like a little very light brown.